Good morning, Paul Georgi from Allendale. It's March 28th, 2011. Only a few more days left before the big awaited USDA report coming out here on Thursday morning at 7:30. I think the trade in the next few days will be a lot of spreading going on. As we see this morning, soybeans in the electronic trade ended up 7 to 10 cents, while corn backed off of its highs, only up 1 to 2 cents here at 7:15. The big thing is still China watch, as the corn traders call it, where we're waiting for 8 o'clock to come around, see what the USDA is going to announce as far as export sales here on a daily basis. We've seen 1.25 million tons sold unknown destinations on Friday morning. That was a surprise to some traders anyway. But and a lot of them say, well, that was China that bought it, not Japan, not anybody else. But you got to remember that that's optional origin corn. It's booked to the U.S. right now. That can change if prices change in relationship to other countries. The news this morning, China's delegation has gone to Argentina. They're going to be talking there. The belief is they're talking about the tax that Argentina has put on China goods coming into Argentina. What better way to solve that problem than to buy some product, corn especially, from Argentina. We haven't seen any reports on that, but as traders talk, that's the talk right now, that they if they need corn, they may buy more corn from South America, Argentina specifically. So those are things that we're going to be watching very closely here in the next few days. Weather conditions supported to the market. We've had a lot of snow in the northern part of the Corn Belt, in Minnesota, northern Iowa, South Dakota. North Dakota has had a lot of snow, colder than normal temperatures, which is good for the thawing process and good for the flooding concerns. However, not so good for getting the crop in the ground. Brazil did get some rain over the weekend. They had, and the forecast is for lighter amounts here in the northern portions of Brazil, where harvest is needing to get underway. They are running behind, but it looks like they should be able to get some harvesting done here as the week progresses. In wheat, China began selling their feed wheat stocks here this week. The food wheat supply seems to be adequate. Processors have enough supply around them for a while. They're not interested in buying any more, so they're going into selling feed wheat. They've got about 1.64 million metric tons of that to sell. They put 300 to 400 out here in the latest auction. So a lot of little things going on, as we call it, but the main thing is the report coming out here on Thursday morning. In the livestock trade, choice beef was down 90 cents on Friday, select down 44 cents. Cash markets ended the week on a firm note. We had the futures close the week out extremely strong, near limit up in most contracts, especially in the nearby contracts, on talk that Japan was going to be buying a lot of beef from the U.S. The hog market also got support from that, and that if they're going to buy beef, they're going to buy pork. And we've seen some strength coming into the pork complex on Friday as well. And that was ahead of a USDA hogs and pigs report that was out at 2 o'clock on Friday. And that report suggested that we have a few more hogs than what the trade was expecting. We had larger breeding numbers than what the trade was expecting. By larger, I'm talking about 0.1% rather than percentage points, but a little bit on the bearish side if you're analyzing the report specifically, but I think not enough to outweigh the Japanese situation where we need to fill their food needs, immediate protein needs, and the best way to do that is by buying milk, pork, beef, things of that nature. So looks to be very strong. Technically, we had a very strong close for the week in livestock trade. Expect some follow through there and expect some support there on setbacks. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.